Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to V tutorials. In today's video we're going to simply look at how you can actually trade with just $20, with just 20 USD. So before we dive into this, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, please do subscribe to this channel, like my videos, share my videos so that a lot of people can actually gain value from this amazing content. So without waste of time, we're going to navigate ourselves to the right particular crypto coins we really want to trade with. What I usually tell you is, each time you want to trade, look at those coins that are within these hot sessions. Maybe BTC, yes, Pep coins, MNT, ETH, SOL, and as well ZAN. So you must look at within the top 10 of that particular cryptocurrency in hot sections, All right, this is what you do. So now we're going to quickly look at our choice. Our choice is we should take up this Pepper coin, right? So if you take up Pepper coin, you're just going to click on it. You click on it and see what exactly is available for you. All right, if you click on Pepper coin, it will bring you to these candlesticks, of which beneath you see buy and as well sell. So beneath here is buy, and also here is as well sell. It means you can trade buy and also you can sell when you want to sell. Okay, so the next thing you just need to do, don't forget we are trading with what? We are trading with just 20 USD. Okay, so when you click on this buy and you make your decision that you really want to buy, the next thing you just need to check out is to come to this particular place. If this particular place is written limit, then you're going to change it to sell, to market. Okay, I'm going to change it to what? To market. Here you change it to market, but if it is a market this way, you just let it be. So the next thing you just need to do is to come to this particular place to impute the number of your USDT you want to trade with, which I said we're going to trade with what? With 20 USD. All right, we're trading with 20 USD. Okay, we're trading with 20 USD, right? So all you just need to do is to come to this place and impute your what? Your 20 USD. If you input your 20 USD here, you're going to get equivalent, but it will not show you right here since you have chosen market. But if you want it to show you your equivalent, choose limit. If you choose limit, come to this place to input your what? Your 20 USD, and this is what you're going to get in return. So for 20 USD, you get this. You can see this is simply how it works. So the next thing you just need to proceed to is for you to what? To set your take profit and as well stop loss. All right, to take your take profit and stop loss. So coming to this take profit here, and stop loss, we're going to click on it carefully in order for us to what? To set up our take profit and also stop loss right now. Okay, so here we are. Click on it. If you click on this TP and S/SO, you're going to get this kind of space. You get this space. This first space means take profit, and this second space means the stop loss, because they're together, they are intertwined. Okay, so all we just need to do is to enter this place, which is the stop loss, and enter this place, which is the stop loss, and this place, which is the take profit, in order for us to what? To set up when exactly, at what particular rate of this we want to sell our crypto coin, and also at what particular rate of this we want to exit the market. We want to take profit and also exit the market. So coming to this place in which is considered take profit, I say okay, I want to take off profit when this is 0.0000. How many zero is this? 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 009. So if I make it up to 009 here, the exact profit I'm going to make right here will be what? Will be 33. You can see here, to be 33.8, roughly 34. Okay, all right. And coming down, I want to set my stop loss to this 0.0000. The 0 is 5, right? 00, okay, and it's 33 right now. 0029, and I'm just going to lose 2%. You can see right here, I'm just going to lose 2% for this, and with this I'm going to make 34 profits. Okay, so without a waste of time, I'm going to click on this buy in order for me to what, to proceed to the next level. And I'll need to come to this part back here to change this to stop limit to market, so that I can enter the trade instantly. So the next thing I just need to do is to click on this buy. Okay, so if I click on this buy now, the first thing you're just going to do is to show me a proper review, and this review will include all the purchase, the stop loss, and also the take profit.